me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and we are on, this is actually 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. We're on 154th week of this. Amazing. This one comes from Cindy. Cindy, thank you so much for filling in on some of the weeks when we've run low. So this is one of Cindy's bundles. I'm going to pull out what she gave me to work with. Oh, cute. There's like a little thing in here. Forget me not. These are so cute. Oh, matchy matchy. I love it. 154. You also can join in on this anytime by joining our Facebook group, Quality Crafts, and getting the information to send in your scraps. And then I'll create a card for you and send it back. So it's just something super fun to do. This is the stuff I have to work with. Lots of really cute papers and stuff. I think these are, they look like they were cupcakes liners and they were flattened. And lots of just really different blue pieces that I have here to work with. Looks like there's some letters here. Let's see, fall, is it supposed to be fall? I guess you should have, maybe they're just extras? I don't know, but look at this piece. This is really sweet. All right, let's give it a go. So again, this one's from Cindy. Lots of fun pieces here, really cute. I'm not sure about these. Maybe just extras in case I wanted to use them. There's a little sign here. I could put one of those on the sign, couldn't I? Birds are so cute. Okay, I always start with a base. You do not need to bring a base or send in a base. You can send in whatever you want. It could be something really simple. It could be something where there's just a few pieces to make it harder for me. You can do matchy-matchy like this, so I come out with something really cool. You can challenge me by sending in some crazy stuff that you've been laying around and didn't know what to do with. Whatever you feel like doing is totally up to you. This is super cute. Forget me not. I love this bird paper. We're going to have to incorporate this somehow. And we will make, this is pretty. Maybe we should use these as the corners. Oh, is that pretty? Add on some of these butterflies. Butterflies fluttering around. Did I only have one? I thought I had two. Oh my gosh, the little birds are even flocked. How cute is that? I hate to say it, but I think I'm going to cut up those little birds. So I'm really, really liking that. And I think I can make 2 bows out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and cut it in half and make 2 double bows. Now, if you want to know how to do this double bow, I'm not going to stop in the middle of this video, obviously, to teach you. But I did do a video on this. So if you're interested, just type in Google, like, Jen Evers double bow, and my video will pop up for you so that you can learn how to do it. Once you know how to do it, it's like riding a bike. It just seems so easy. You can do more turns for more. So if you want more than a double, you could get a triple or a quadruple bow. Whatever you want to do with it. I loosened mine up on accident. You really got to give it a tug at the end to make sure that it stays put. So I think I'm going to give that one more shot. Oops, I have a little tie in there. There we go. So right here, when you pull it at the very end, you might get your fingers trapped, but if you don't have it super tight, it'll come undone like mine did. So that's the only real trick to it. And actually my bow got a little bit smaller, but it's cuter. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit more off. Cute. That will totally work. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this down. Love that little sentiment. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, look at the cute, okay. Did I have that down or did I have this side down? I can't remember. Let's see which one looks better. I like the dots, but it's a bit busy, so I'm just gonna opt to put it on the other side. There we go. Let me a little bit of wet glue for this, because these are a little bit more fragile. Not too much, because I don't want it to be all warpy. Let's tap it down a little bit. This one too. Cool. Very cool. We'll put a butterfly on there. Not sure where I want this bow to go yet, but I've got more. Thinking this, not my favorite piece. Not going to use that maybe. I think we'll put him up there, and then the little forget-me-not. This still has stick to it, but I'm going to add just a little bit of glue anyways, to hopefully make sure it doesn't come off. I'm going to put it kind of in the middle here. Cute. And then that's where my bow will go, under the forget-me-not. I think that glue dots are probably the best option for bows. Not quite where I wanted it. Let's stick it right there. Cute. Cute, cute. And then this little guy up here with a little bit of glue. Hopefully he won't fall off. I normally pop him up, but you know what? I'm going to leave him down and I'm going to get a couple of more gems. Hopefully some that are kind of similar to the ones that she gave me, but they don't have to be perfect. I think maybe these little ones. Oh. Here I've got some of all the same kind. I'll do 3 for this guy. Actually, where's that tiny little one? 2 big ones and a little one to end it off there. Perfect. Cute. Alright. We've got about 2 minutes left to decide what we want to do. I kind of want to put this paper on the inside, but I was going to cut out some of these little guys and I didn't. So let's see if we can get one fit on here. I'm going to do a loose cut, what we call a fussy cut. I'm not going to go super, super duper close because I want to make sure I get his tail and everything, and they're just lines. And I'll get his little legs too. See, so we could put this little fuzzy bird on the bottom, couldn't we? He is super cute. Let's go ahead and add him. And then I'll add a couple of these, I think, to the inside. So to the inside, I'm going to go ahead with this guy. I got about a minute left, so that should be enough to take this on. Maybe I'll put them on like right here. And then I'm going to cut out another bird. Oh, how cute. This one's holding a little flower. And I'm just barely going to get his little tail, but his little feathers got cut off, but that's okay. His little tail feathers are cut off, no big deal. He's going to stand on this flower. And then I'm going to cut this part off. So we've got that little guy on the inside for just a little inside perk. And I think that's probably all I'm going to put on there. Awesome, right on time. I'm going to save this stuff and put that in the Crop in the New Year box, so in case I ever want to come back to this, I'll have it in there. So Crop in the New Year, I know is a long way off, but save that date. If you want to just hang out with like-minded people, you want to get creative. All these scraps that I have from all year long, and this is number, what did I say, 154, will be in that little box, and that's where I'll pull from and create from that night. You are welcome to come hang out and just chat, hang out and create whatever you want to do, that sort of thing. So I'm going to put those in there, and let's take one more look at the card. And thanks, Cindy, for sending this in. Look at the cute butterfly. Forget me not. We've got the little bird, and then on the inside we've got that little bird accent to make it all match. Now I will stamp my information on the back, send that back to Cindy. She lives near me, so she'll come pick it up at some time. Always fun to see her, and so thank you so much. Hearts out to you, Cindy, for sending your stuff in again. I enjoy having that because we were used to do, we switched to every Monday, every Wednesday, and so I use all the people who sent in like lots of extras to fill in the holes. Cindy's the one who does that for me, and she does a great job of it. So every Wednesday is when I do this. So if you want to catch some more, click that subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then pick like all notifications if you want to know when my videos are coming out. But I'm going to tell you, they're on Wednesday and Friday. Friday is a more fun, interactive kind of thing where we learn techniques and new fun things. They may be something you've already done before. Maybe it'll be inspired to you to do something a little bit different than you normally do. They're both at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, one on Wednesday, which is 1 in 10 by Jen, and then one on Friday, which is Friday Free Play. Every other Saturday, we have a public sale on YouTube right here on this channel. You don't need to go anywhere from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All sales get invoiced that evening. They all ship out on Monday. It is super fun. Even if you don't want to purchase anything, if you just want to come out and hang out with the community and chat, that is super fun thing to do too. Lots of friendly, drama-free. My group is completely drama and commitment-free, which means you can do the swaps or not do the swaps. You can hang out in the background or be a part of everything. It's completely up to you, your personality, your creativity, what you like to do. This weekend, actually, when you're seeing this one, last weekend will have been a sale. This video, as you're watching, I will be out of town hanging out with a crafty friend, and then the next week when I'm back will be another sale, so every other Saturday. All right, please leave comments if you enjoy this. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the cards, your thoughts about my process, ideas that you have, things like that. Just go ahead and drop me a comment, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.